You guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another set of jobs. And this company that I am going to tell you guys about today is Dynamic MEP. It's a remote position, and the job role for this job is resource assistant. It starts at $20 an hour to $30 per hour. And the qualification of this job is Microsoft Excel 1 year required, Microsoft PowerPoint 1 year required, US work authorization required. Full job description of this job is Dynamic MEP is an engineering consulting firm. Most of the needs of for responsibilities are in respect to projects and people representing projects. Excuse me. Responsibilities include assist with marketing type documents such as creating and completing project resumes, engineer resumes, statement of qualifications, proofing and formatting, project study reports, and project specifications. Individuals must be familiar with master spec format and specification book formats. Now, the scheduling will be Monday to Friday, self-determined schedule. Application questions for for you to apply through Indeed will be must have qualified experience with Microsoft Word, must have previous experience with master spec and master spec format and project specification book completions. And once again, you will have to have the experience of Microsoft Excel 1 year required, Microsoft PowerPoint 1 year required, and they're hiring for one candidate for this job. And this job just got posted today. The name of the company once again is Dynamic MEP, and the job role would be resource assistant. And that's $20 an hour to $30 an hour, you guys. Get into it, you guys. Now the next job has to do with law in the law field. Now this company is called Coldwater Law Offices Lillis and Jansen PC, and it's based out in Antioch, Tennessee. It's a remote position for $35 to $50 per hour. It's a remote position. The benefits of this job will be 401k, dental insurance, employee discount, flexible schedule, health insurance, paid time off, referral program, vision insurance, and work from home. Work for this a positive company with a business culture and core fundamentals to be the best. Base pay plus commissions and bonuses. Customer service representative will be responsible for working from home, office, and local remotely. The customer service team assists in insured individuals, service providers, and adjusters with claim payments processed by Lillis and Jansen PC. To do well in this role, you need to be a people person who is detail oriented and pose a strong interest in exceeding expectations. Responsibilities to ensure customer satisfaction and provide professional support, communicate and coordinating with colleagues as necessary, communicate with customers through various channels, phone, email, chat, etc. Resolve customer complaints and de-escalate situations or escalate to a team lead or manager and or other internal resources necessary. Maintain a positive, empathetic, and professional attitude towards customers at all times. Respond promptly to customer inquiries. Knowledgeable in our products and services. Keep records of customer interactions, transactions, comments, and complaints. Provide feedback on the efficiency of the customer service process. And once again, these are the benefits, you guys. And it just got posted today. This company is once again it's called Coldwater Law Offices, Lilly and Jensen's PC. And the start pay is $35 to $50 per hour. And it's a remote position based out in Antioch, Tennessee. Now this is another legal good job. This third one I'm going to tell you guys about is called Legal Billing Coordinator. That's the job role for this job, Legal Billing Coordinator. And the name of the company is called Green Evans. I don't know how to pronounce Schroeder, PLLC, for $18 an hour. And it's a full-time job position. The qualification for this job is a high school diploma or equivalent is required. And for this full job description is a monthly legal billing associate. This is what goes for this role. Green Evans-Schroeder is Tucson, Arizona's largest and fastest growing immigration and criminal defense law firm. We are interested in forming a long-term relationship with the right professional or several professionals to assist us with our billing invoicing requirements. Although we are most interested in applicants who have experience with law firm monthly billing, we are also on board and train the right person or people with the right qualifications. So this job is an entry level job, you guys. It's an entry level job as well as the last one with Coldwater law offices as well. These are all entry level jobs that I'm coming with you guys for today of August 22nd. Now, we anticipate that we will have approximately 40 hours of work week per month that needs to be performed over the first week of each month. However, we are comfortable contracting with I was about to say middle, with multiple professionals who want to do the job well. In other words, if you are interested and qualified, but can only dedicate, for example, 15 to 20 hours during the first week of each month, please consider applying. Some more pertinent information. Once a month project. This will be an ongoing project that occurs during the first week of every month. On the first day of every month, our attorneys receive their draft bills or pre-bills for the work performed on clients' cases in the previous month. By the next day, the attorneys have received and reviewed and marked up in pen any changes to the pre-bills that need to be made. These marked up pre-bills will then be scanned and sent to the billing associates by the second day of the month. Editing and sending the bills. Once the billing associate receives the marked up pre-bills, he or she logs into our practice management software, Clio Manage, to make the necessary edits to the draft bills, and then approves the bills and sends the bill to the clients via email. Although some bills are sent via U.S. mail, but they are the exceptions to the rule. 3. Recording trust account transactions. Because we bill by the hour and keep clients' funds in our law firm's trust account, the majority of our clients' bills are paid by the transferring part or all of the bill amount from the money they currently have on deposit in our trust account to our lawyer's firm operating account. Again, this will apply to the majority of the bills that are sent to our clients each month. So the pay for this job, once again, is $18 an hour job, per hour job, and it's an entry-level position, you guys. And the schedule is Monday to Friday, and the COVID-19 will be a consideration. Our law firm continues to adhere to the CDC guidelines and best COVID-19 practices. The education that you will need for this job is required as a high school diploma or equivalent, experience in billing, 1 year preferred. So they're hiring for 3 candidates for this job position, you guys. Jump on it, get onto it. They just posted this today, August the 22nd, you guys. If you love the legal field, you love helping people out, you love helping law firms out, this is the job for you guys. $18 an hour. As being the job role will be legal billing coordinator. And the job itself is called Green Evans-Schroeder, PLLC. So jump on to it, you guys. That's it for my video for today. See you guys later. Have a wonderful day and happy job hunting. Do not stop looking. Opportunities knocking, knocking, knocking. Answer those positive doors, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You got this. Let's go.